investing in the right Vanguard Index Funds today set you up for lifelong financial success? Today we are breaking down the 7 best Vanguard Index Funds to buy now and hold forever. Vanguard manages over $8 trillion, making it a global leader in low-cost investing. So, why are Vanguard Index Funds so appealing for long-term investors? Their incredibly low expense ratios and solid historical performance ensure your money grows efficiently. First, let's dive into the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VTSAX. VTSAX provides exposure to the entire US equity market, covering thousands of stocks. With an expense ratio of just 0.04%, it's ideal for diversified, cost-effective investing. Next is the Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VFIAX, which closely tracks the S&P 500. VFIAX has delivered long-term annual returns averaging about 10%, making it a cornerstone investment. Its ultra-low expense ratio of 0.04% keeps more returns in your pocket. Want international diversification? Vanguard Total International Stock Index Fund VTIAX is perfect. VTIAX covers both developed and emerging markets outside the US, providing global growth potential. With a low expense ratio of 0.11%, international investing has never been more accessible. The Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund VBTLX offers stability and steady income through diversified bond holdings. VBTLX's expense ratio is a remarkable 0.05%, ideal for investors seeking balance and lower risk. For growth-focused investors, Vanguard Growth Index Fund VIGAX is a top pick. It focuses on large-cap growth stocks historically outperforming in rising markets. Its expense ratio of 0.05% ensures more returns stay with you. Seeking dividend income, Vanguard Dividend Appreciation Index Fund VDADX could be your best choice. VDADX invests in high-quality dividend-growing companies, providing reliable income. It has a low expense ratio of just 0.08%, attractive for income-focused investors. Finally, consider the Vanguard Real Estate Index Fund for diversification into real estate. VGSLX invests in Real Estate Investment Trust (REITs), offering exposure to commercial and residential properties. Its expense ratio of 0.12% offers excellent value for long-term real estate investing. Imagine the benefit of building a diversified portfolio with these 7 carefully selected Vanguard funds. Diversification across stocks, bonds, and dividends and real estate significantly enhances portfolio resilience. Regular portfolio rebalancing helps maintain the right asset allocations, optimizing long-term returns. However, be cautious. Ignoring fees or over-concentrating your investments can hurt returns. Even small differences in expense ratios can substantially impact your wealth over decades. Concerned about market volatility and potential loss? Remember, short-term fluctuations happen, but historically, long-term holdings dramatically reduces risk. Confused about the difference between Vanguard Index mutual funds and ETFs? Mutual funds trade at the end of the day's net asset value, while ETFs trade continuously throughout the day. Reviewing your investments regularly ensures your portfolio remains aligned with your goals. Many investors attribute their financial success to consistently investing in Vanguard Index funds. Quickly recapping our top 7: VTSAX, VFIAX, VTIAX, VBTLX, VIGAX, VDADX, and VGSLX. Each of these funds contributes uniquely to a well-balanced, sustainable investment approach. Consistent, patient investing in these Vanguard funds could significantly grow your wealth. Long-term commitment is essential to harnessing the power of compound growth. Ready to start your Vanguard investment journey? Choose funds aligned with your personal financial goals and investing style. Have you already invested in any of these Vanguard funds? Share your experiences below. We can all learn from each other's success. If this video provided clarity on your investment options, please hit the like button. Subscribe right now for more insightful investment tips and strategies. Investing today means planting the seed for financial freedom tomorrow. Act now to ensure a brighter, wealthier future. Your financial goals are within reach. Start investing wisely today. Your future self will thank you for making smart investment decisions now.